One TV special report.
This was followed by the Gabi ng Parangal, awarding of Outstanding Misa-Misnon, with our guest of honor and speaker, the Police Regional Director of Police Regional Office Region 10, who used to be our provincial director of the PNP before, who had restored the image of the police and restored the very good peace and order that we have. General De Guzman, can we give him a big hand? And surprisingly, tungod sa focus nako sa public service, pagka-congressman, pagka-governor, sobra na sa 30 katuig wa ako makakanta. Nigawas gid akong pagkayabag adtong panahon na. We give a big hand to Bina Morales, our celebrity guest at that time. We thank the event owners on that particular event. Board Member Agnes Villanueva, Board Member Rosemary Tata Pailagalim, and assisted also by the Board Member Dona Iyo. And of course, all the committee members and involved in that activity. That was followed with the Health Providers Summit, with Senator Lito Lapid as our guest of honor and speaker. We held a summit to recognize the dedication and hard work of our healthcare providers. To our health professionals, thank you to the event owner and to the members of the committee, all our health professionals and workers headed by Dr. Holly Tago. For the success of the event, I didn't expect Senator Lapid to announce his commitment to help 100 million for our hospital. Pag-agi sa talairon, gihunong nako siya dito. May po pagka-prepare ni Mr. Joel Agraviador, kagibutang man po niya dito ang dakong propaganda ni Senator Lapid. No? And he was impressed. A hospital which is being constructed, initiated by a local initiative, no, reaching to 1.2 billion without incurring in a loan. According to him, the act, aside from the program, the act of doing it is something worthy of emulation. Gisundan kini with the first district congressman's night, featuring celebrity guests Bambo and the Juans. Thank you to Congressman Jason Almonte and our executive assistant Robbie Ala, who was the event owner, and also the second district congressman's night with the celebrity guest, the Hell Band. Thank you to Congressman Ando Waminal. This was followed again by the Kasalan sa Kapitolyo. This event reflects the province's commitment to legitimize the union, this time of additional 120 unmarried couples. Thank you to our event owner, Ms. Lorelei Yee. and all the members of the committee. Ang akong gikatingadan, ang event owner siging sponsor o pila na ka-couple ang nagpakasal. Kano sa ka ni magpakasal? Kanang imong tapad po diha. Murag parehasan. Siguro ano wa may smile ni akong speech writer. Mudawat ka mo og ako mong tagaan og award as the anniversary best partner of the event. So, our anniversary celebration with the grand finale, the third Grand Pirangat Festival, with our guest of honors, Senator Amy R. Marcos. Can we give her a big hand? Deputy Speaker Congresswoman Camille Villar. Nga out of their busy schedules. Naningkamot gyud sila, gitagaan gyud panahon nga maka-grace, makatambong sa ato ang celebration. And of course, the representative of Secretary Frasco of the Department of Tourism, Undersecretary Humapao with Regional Director Onchuan, DOT Region 10. It was a fantastic showing the strength of various performances of the 9 contingents, 5 of which are from our province, the 3 cities, and the contingent of its district, District 1 and District 2. We'd like to thank and commend the event owner, no less than Board Member Dona Iyog, sama kang Board Member Alex, mora pod og di siya makatuo nga kaya niya i-manage ang pinakadako nga event, and of course she was fully assisted by Executive Assistant Robbie Ala. And to all the working committee members, including all the associates, congratulations for the success of the event. The 95th anniversary is more than just a number. It's a celebration of 95 years of progress, of challenges met with resilience, and of milestones achieved together. As we look back, we see the footprints of our forebears who worked tirelessly to lay the foundation for the community, for the kind of province that we are today. Their dedication and sacrifice have shaped our identity, and their legacy continues to inspire us as we move forward into the future. While we come to the close of the year's anniversary festivities, let us remember that the true essence of this celebration lies not in the event themselves, but in the bonds we've strengthened and the values we've reinforced. the spirit of unity, pride, and values we've reinforced, the cooperation that we have shared in the whole week, which we must continue to live on in our daily lives, in how we care for one another and how we build a better future for the generations to come. And that is our vision of Asinso, Misamis Occidental, unsang klaseng pag-asinso, na ang Misamis nun, magpuyong, malinaw, malamboon, o malipayo. As we conclude the 95th anniversary, let us carry forward the energy, enthusiasm, and sense of community we have experienced together. Let us continue to honor our history while forging a path towards even a brighter tomorrow. The journey ahead is ours to shape, and together we will rise to meet the challenges and opportunities of the future. I would like to take this opportunity to thank again every single person, every employee who has contributed to the success of this year's anniversary celebration, to the various working committees, to the local government units headed by the different city and municipal mayors, to our partners from the national government agencies, to mention the few, DepEd, DOLE, the SWD, who are always with us. The ayuda that we had distributed did not come from our own local government funds. Gikan to sa national government, and we have to thank President Bongbong Marcos for providing us the funds. Can we give a big hand? That is in support to his Bagong Pilipinas program. We give big thanks also to Speaker Martin Romualdez for the funds that he had given to us. Through the DSWD. Can we give a big hand to the DSWD? The DOLE, the Department of Agriculture, and to the other agencies like DICT, DILG, and others. To our partners from the religious sector, to the Archdiocese of Osamis, sa atong mga kaparian, headed by Archbishop Martin Homoad. Can we give him a big hand? And by the way, Archbishop Martin Homoad is celebrating his birthday today. Happy birthday, Archbishop. And of course, sa ubang mga pastors o mga pangulo sa nagkalain-laing simbahan diri sa atong probinsya, sa ilang pag-ampo o pagsuporta sa atong kalihukan o sa adlaw-adlaw natong mga bulaton. And to our Philippine National Police, again headed by Colonel Romel Maglio. Senator Amy was asking me about our peace and order because in the meet and greet with the media, she was raising the concern that Miss Ok should be that peaceful because she was able to observe the kind of growth and development that we have. And for its sustainability, kinahanglan nga ang atong peace and order ma-preserve o ma-maintain. And I told her that we are in good hands under an Ilocano Provincial Director, Colonel Romel Maglio. O sa atong tanang kapulisan, tanang mga chief of police and other officers, and including the non-uniform personnel of the Philippine National Police. And of course, to the 10th Infantry Battalion of the Philippine Army, headed by Lieutenant Colonel Boticario. For providing us the security throughout the entire duration of our celebration. To the entire PGMO workforce, come on! Ganda. Ang akong kalipay giobanan og medyo gamayng kalibog. Onya na nako ipagawas ang kalibog. Ako sang ipadayon ang pagpasalamat to all participating contingents, performers, and participants. And to the Misa-Misnon, thank you very much for all your dedication, your passion, your love for our province. Your efforts have made the celebration truly memorable and meaningful. You have shown that when we come together, there is no limit to what we can achieve. So that today, akong gilantaw kung unsay maayo nga akong ika-recognize, ika-balos ninyo sa inyong maayo nga performance. Nobyembre na karon o next month, Disyembre na. Akong gikwinta karong Disyembre, gahuna-huna ko kung pilay akong ihatag nga bonus ninyo. Pagkwinta nako sa akong gihuna-huna nga gihatag, miabot og 156 million. Gikwinta nako regulars 800 almost 900 ka regulars og 900 ka job orders, 1,800 sa akong pag-estimates sa pinaskuhan nga akong gisiguro nga malipay gyud mo. Nahibalo gyud ko kung unsa ang inyong gidesire nga kalipay. And by the way, because of this short announcement, kay abi ninyo, Mayor Godwin is here, ang panudlanan sa gobyerno pag hinapos na sa tuig, both local and national. Og sa kuan pa na kanang medyo hubas-hubas na. Diba? For an LGU like us, kanang 156 million dili na basta-basta mapangita. No? With the kind of programs and expenditures for public service that we had done for the last 3 quarters. Pero akong i-announce nga after consulting with our finance committee, kaloy sa Diyos, ready na ang pondo. Pero dito panakos Pasko na i-release, ha? Ayaw ninyo og iprinda. Kay di ko gusto nga mauna ninyo ang kalipay. Gusto nako tanan kita malipay sa Pasko. Muim ko leadership ayaw gyud og sugot nga isagip. Muim ko if you will allow even one, I will revoke our MOA next year. Okay. Kay kining akong gigahin sa ato daan pod nga pamaskong handog for the food packs alone. No? Other than what I am preparing for you, ako pong gisiguro ang para sa mga misamis nun. For the food packs alone, that is also about 80 million pesos. Ready na atong food packs. Ready na si GSO mo distribute. No? Delivered na. O ang bayad, ready na sad. So, imagine ninyo na. And then, kung natay ikapanghatag nga cash gift sa mga katawhan, kana dili na gikan sa atong lokal nga pangagamhanan, kana hinabang nasad gikan sa atong presidente. Again, let's give a big hand. Kay baloko, excited kayo mo, kay miingon nga, Pasko pa, madawat. Unsa maday ato madawat karong adlaw. Sige. No. Kanang siyempre kanang akong giandam ninyo ay balo man ko nga walay labot diha ang atong year-end bonus. Ibalo ko nga ang inyong mathematics, murapod og mathematics ni Gobernador. Okay? So, karong adlaw, inyong madawat ang inyong remaining year-end bonus. Kining atong pagkapulpa karon di naman ni regular, di ba? Ganiha ang mga job orders wa mamakpak. Kahibalo man sila, wa sila year-end bonus. Because that's the 14th month salary. Diba? Besides, kiko gamay, diri raman sa Miss Ok siguro nga, di lang 14th month ang madawat. No? 15th or 16th month. Sa di pa nako i-anunsyo kung unsaning sa mga job orders. Mushare lang ko ninyo gamay. Akong kalipay, ang always pagpalipay ninyo. Diba? Kay mo man na ang atong usaka im sa 5 Ms. Magpuyong, malipayon diretso, di ba? Magpuyong malipayon, so anyong kalipay, akong kalipay. Di ba? So, ibalo na mo og unsay akong kalipay. Basta malipay mo, nalipay na ko. Di ba? Ang year-end bonus, nanay problema kay mo ay gimbutan sa balaod. It's only a matter of scheduling it for release because of the availability of funds. No? Karon pagpanghatag og additional benefits sa job orders, naglisod ako matik-matik sa unsay basis nga kuwabol. Diba? Nga makalusot sa kuwa. So, last year, watay problema kay nagamit ato tong COVID. Munang medyo ang COVID sad, while doon na to'y negative impact, doon na rasay positive impact sa atong probinsya. So, diyan nyo nakita nga kung unsa gyud nako ang ita mga tagpaagi nga makahatag, unsa pa kana kung unsay gimbutan. Pero nalang ko i-share gamay sa atong mga empleyado sa atong health services. Kinigong sa ato sa health services, na ani allowance nila atong panahon sa COVID. No? Oh. Kana, hoy, dili na kwarta sa local government. Kwarta na sa national, ipaagilag release sa local government. So, pag abot diri sa local government, kung di pa moabot, so di gyud ma-release. Di ba? Oh. So, inyong gobernador, mo release magani anang wala pa nangitag paagi kung unsay maka-conform sa balaod, kana pa kang gimbutan sa balaod. Pero usahay na po inyong mga kauban nga wala pa gani mo abot, gipaninglan ako. Gitiksan ako nga maluoy ka gobernador, i-release na ang taon ang among hiya. Unsaon man ako pag-release nga pa man yung kwarta. Di ba? So di na siguro mo magpakaluoy. No? Ngayon, uban pa ninyo, okay ra tong dito na mo ni gi-888 pa ko. Okay na lang tong 888 kay ang DOH may inyong giingnan nga kanos a town ma-release. No, kay ang private sector kuno na-release na niya sa gobyerno. Pero we will try to follow it up. Pero buot pasabot, ayo taon pa sa ang inyong gobernador nga wala i-release o gidugay-dugay. Di ba? Kay og maabot na di mabilis pa sa alas 4 akong i-release ninyo. Di ba? Oh. So, ayaw in town ko ang kay mo nang giingon nga murag matandog pod ang balatian sa inyong gobernador. Diba? Kay ako gusto magpalipay ninyo, hindi na kinang, diba? Kani akong ipangatag, you did not ask for it. You did not, diba? Di na kinanglan i-demand. Diba? O, sama karon. Nagdilima ko. Kaya ano? O, gusto ko muhatag sa mga job orders kay para napoy madawat karon. Unya, sa akong giingon, bisag natay pundo sa local government, pero naglisod na tag-basis. Atong September, October, katong 13,000, 5,000 plus 8,000 nga inyong nadawat, dili to pundo sa ato ang local government. Kay, ugikan sa atong local government, maglisod naman ta pag-justify sa kuwa. So, I outsource it. No? I-outsource na ko from the other government agencies na pwede mulusod sa ilaha. Diba? O, so, kita ninyo, no? Ako lang pong gishare ninyo nga, kining, ang inyong governor, sama ninyo ay tao lamang. Diba? Doon ay pagbate. Oh. So karon, para everybody is happy, gahuna-huna unta ko nga kanang daghan magid halos tanan na nga involvement. No, and even those nga wala diri sa present sa activity pero nagtrabaho sa hospitals, nagtrabaho sa respective assignments, so gibuhat gyapon, that's your contribution. So muhatag unta ko og sa job order nga kining katong na-involve. Sus, pagtanaw na ko listahan kay $542 raman. Onya sa 542, apil pa ni ang mga regular. Ano? 512 plus 52, 567. So, kinira akong tagaan. Nayon niya muli, di na mukaons binignit. Ano man? Nag-expect naman. Diba? Oh. So, sige lang. No? I know kung unsa ang inyong tagsa-tagsa ka kontribusyon. Kamo mismo nasayod sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka involvement o contribution to the success. No? So, pakpakan na to itong kagalingon. Oh. So, to those who excel, sige, I will have, there is probably is very, very special for you. No? So, ang ako lang sa karon para mahumanta nga katong mga job orders, current job orders, nato karon nakakita lang gyapon kog pondo with basis. No? Oh. Karon humaning activity, all job orders will receive part additional. Nakadawat naman mo anniversary bonus, di ba? Oh, pila to? 3,000. Okay? Oh. Kay katunga po sa year-end bonus ang nadawat sa mga regular. Oh, mga regular, apil na lang po mo kalipay nga akong dungagan og tag 5,000 pesos ang mga job orders. So, with o manaa o mawala sa listahan ng mga GOs, sige, tanan makadawat og 5,000. Bida, nabibo na. So, dapat kada flag ceremony, yun ani kapulpak. Diba? Yun ani dapat katamis. So, let me close my message for us to look ahead with hope, determination, and pride. Together, we will continue to build on the strong foundation of Misamis Occidental, laid by those who came before us. The next chapter of our provincial story is ours to write. Kita karon ang nagsulat sa kaugmaon sa sunod nga generation. Thank you once again, and may the spirit of this celebration continue to guide us all in the years to come. Asenso Misamis Occidental. Asenso Pinoy. Miss Ok at 95. Daghang salamat padayon sa pag-asenso.
Thank you so much, Governor Waminal, for your inspiring words and leadership, and for your commitment to uplifting our province and making events like the Asenso Trade Fair possible. Okay, before na to, umano ng program, mag-chant sa tag-utro. Miss Ok at 95! Miss Ok at 95! Miss Ok at 95! Okay, so may you now take your seats. And now let us take a moment to relive the highlights of the 95th Provincial Anniversary of Misamis Occidental. Please enjoy this video presentation capturing the memorable moments of this year's celebration.
Province of Misamis Occidental, I now declare the 95th Provincial Anniversary of Misamis Occidental officially open.
Provincial Anniversary, Misamis Occidental!
nga ang grasya nga moabot sa inyong kinabuhi.
Happy 95th anniversary!
Nakikiisa po ang aming pamilya, ang pamilya Villar, sa inyong lahat.
Here's to the next 95 years and to an even